Hyderabad Disaster and Response Assets Management Team, Hydra, this morning demolished N convention in Madhapur for allegedly breaching and encroaching upon the Tamiri Kunta Lake in Madhapur area. Let me break down the details for you. The flush property was built on an encroached area encircling the Tamiri Kunta Lake. And this is not the first time that N convention has run into controversies. Now, the demolition drive was carried out owing to the allegations that this property, N convention, encroached the full tank level and the buffer zone of the lake. So let me break down for you. This property stood on 1.12 acre of the full tank level area and an additional 2 acre within the buffer zone. Both these areas are restricted. It depends on the spread of the water body, and as per the Hydra team, the property of the actor was in fact violating all the norms. And in fact, this property was under scrutiny for several years, but it is being said that because of bureaucracy and the reach, perhaps the action that was to be initiated against N convention was never taken. This is, of course, from the allegations perspective. And this definitely has not gone down well with the actor, in fact, who went to social media platform X and tweeted, and I quote, "The land is a patta land and not even an inch of tank plan is encroached. As a law-abiding citizen, if the court before which the matter is pending had decided against me, I would have carried out the demolition myself." He also claims that prior to the demolition, no notice was issued to him, to which he is in fact taken a strong legal action. He is in fact also approached the court seeking relief. The court has immediately granted him relief, asking Hydra to stay any kind of demolition. But this is again not the first time. And why this is in focus? Because Hydra, which is in fact one of the constituents team that have been set up by Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, has been conducting a lot of encroachment drives, especially cracking down and demolishing buildings that are in violation of the norms. And Nagarjuna's N convention was also on the radar. And this action comes in the backdrop of a complaint that was raised by the Telangana Road and Transport Minister, Komati Reddy Venkat Reddy. Based on that complaint, Hydra went ahead with the demolition of N convention, which has certainly created a lot of ripples, and with the actor now knocking on the court for further action on the same.